Weeds like that. That's the how tall the weeds were here. Everywhere. Everywhere.
No.
Going to the most beautiful garden in Oledo that belongs to the one and only family. Berving family garden, the most beautiful garden in Oledo. Welcome. Here, Ananta, Gopal and Damodar will show us the secrets of Prema culture. Wow! Amazing! So beautiful!
A big transformation. Everything was full of grass and weeds.
Full of weeds. Wow.
All together as a family transformed this into a nice garden. But he did the
How
hard
tall
work.
were the weeds?
Oh, they were like that.
Wow. Up to your hip.
Yeah, they were
Crazy.
really high.
And your husband, Bharat, he just pulled them all? How long it took him to do that?
Oh, we were very determined. It just took like 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Every day a little bit, you know?
Mm-hmm.
2 hours. And Damodar, he did the hard work too. Honeymelons.
Oh, honey melons. What is honey
Honeymelon.
melons?
Honeymelon.
Ah, honey melon. Ah, okay.
Honeymelon.
Okay, cantaloupe.
Yeah.
Cantaloupe. You like cantaloupe? Not so
Little
much?
bit.
Little bit. Wow.
So we have orange sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes. I always dreamed about a field of sweet potatoes. So you're actually doing that. Wow. These purple leaves are sweet potatoes?
Yes. And the green. And you
Kind of green.
yeah, and now it's
Oh, it's a puppy.
May. And I guess in October or September we can harvest the sweet potatoes.
So it takes, what, like 2 months?
Yes, oh, a little bit longer, maybe 3. And until then we can eat the young tender leaves as spinach.
Oh,
When
so
we
the
have
leaves
more.
are also eatable.
Yes,
That's
they're
cool.
really good with coconut milk.
Oh, okay, you heard that? The potato leaves with coconut milk. Secret recipe from Mother Ananta. You learned that in Fiji, wow.
It's right out already.
So this is gonna be the place for the cantaloupe, the honey melon. And here, there I can see, what is that, broccoli?
And this?
Broccoli, right?
This is Portuguese cabbage.
Ah, this is cabbage.
Yeah.
Wow.
They only eat the leaves. Yeah, they eat the leaves.
Hmm.
They get really big, like trees. They can be that high.
How high?
Like this.
Wow.
And this is the older one. It was already here. And those are the new ones, the younger ones.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
And we have pumpkins.
No, not on me, please.
Yeah. Last year we got like a cantaloupe, like a honey melon from our friend's garden, and it was so good. It was so sweet, and they told us whenever they have like a very good lemon, which tastes incredibly good, then they save the seeds.
Oh my god.
That because he's escaping there. Yeah, you will never do this, right, puppy? He was just going.
Oh, I stepped on something.
Yeah. So I got the seeds from her, and I hope those ones were as sweet as the ones we got. No.
And I see that everyone is helping.
Yes. No.
Puppy is helping to dig.
You're not a white boar. Go here.
Damodar is helping to
No. Damodar, back here. Oh God. Yesterday, and so
purpose of the straw? Is it like for the heat?
Yeah, it's to preserve the moisture.
Ah, the moisture.
Yeah, because it's really hot and if
You don't get too much rain here, I guess, in
No.
Portugal.
no, not at this season.
So how do you deal with like scarcity of water?
Yeah, we put the straw to keep the moisture in the ground, and yeah, just
Pray.
chant Hare
Pray for
Krishna.
rain. Yeah. chant Hare Krishna. Pray for rain.
And, I mean, we had this we were not in this situation before. It's the first year of water scarcity.
Oh.
The other place had plenty water. Ouch! So it's new. But we will get water anyhow. Lucky!
Not now, please.
Ah, ja,
I'm
no.
doing something serious. Hey, don't.
Okay, so my favorite. Möchtest du nicht mal weiter wässern?
Your favorite part of the garden?
Yeah, but this is not my favorite part. But those are
Avocado trees.
those are walnut
Oh,
trees.
walnut trees.
We got them last year, and they're now really big.
Walnuts. These are all walnuts. Wow.
Yes. And once we have property, we will plant them. And this is elderberry. I really love elderberry.
Elderberry. Is that gooseberry? No, elderberry is something else.
Yes.
But they're also very sour, right?
Yeah. You can. Yeah, you cannot really eat them raw. Yeah, and before there
So
was
it's the part you're looking for the most.
no.
Planting the walnut trees.
Yeah, I mean, I just found it beautiful. You know, actually, I like the tomato section, but it's not really organized yet. It needs some, trellis
Mm-hmm.
or something. And they're already tomatoes. You know? Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Looks funny.
Oh my
funny,
God.
a funny tomato.
Interesting.
Yeah. So the tomatoes are coming. Look.
Tomatoes.
So they need to be, I will build like a fence or something
Mm-hmm.
to make them stand.
Oh,
There's
okay.
a
Oh, here's a
tomato.
tomato. Nice.
There's already.
It's coming together. How long you've been working on this garden with
Oh.
Bharat?
We started in, I think in April. We started. So
This April.
Yeah.
Wow.
yeah, everything.
Like a month ago, basically.
Yes. We did it like high speed with urgency. Because we were
Urgency and determination. I mean, taking off the weeds, it's like that, right?
Yes, yeah, it
The
was
weeds.
like that. And this was without weeds as well, but it's already overgrown again. So it's
Yeah,
so
weeds like
fast.
that. That's how tall the weeds were here. Everywhere. Everywhere. Weeds. This is a pretty cool. Is it a cabbage?
It's lettuce,
Lettuce.
and this is already flowering. It's from last October, and now it's getting it's blossoming, and then we will preserve the seeds.
Wow, it's a pretty unique lettuce. I think you told me when we were here the last time that Bharat gave you like a suggestion or a tip how to pluck the lettuce so
Yeah.
it grows.
Yeah, look, this one for example. I picked it how Barat told me, and this all grew back. So you get a new lettuce actually.
Okay, and there's a special technique how to
Yeah,
trim it.
yeah. You leave. This is the old one, and this is the new one.
Mm-hmm.
You don't cut it
To the end.
to the end. You
Ah.
leave some leaves. Look here,
Oh,
it's coming back.
and
here.
I guess you can do it with any like celery, also fennel root. It grows in a similar way, right?
Yeah, you can do it with something. I have no experience, only with the lettuce, but this one is the same.
Hmm.
Pretty
So you
cool.
never cut till the end.
No, I stopped.
And yeah, that might be very useful for people who have like green gardens, right? And
Then you have
wow,
more.
it's so beautiful.
Then you have more, more lettuce.
Puppy, you like lettuce?
Not yet.
How do you deal with like pesticides and mice and rabbits and?
Oh, we have no mice here because we have always our cats in the garden.
Oh, what
we
a
have
blessing!
4 cats, so they take care of the mice. And you know, there were no bugs
Ah,
until now.
oh, until the summer.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's the first season here. And last year we had no bugs.
Mm.
And but here are bugs.
Wow, these are
I did-
poppy flowers, right?
Yes. This was actually my favorite section of the garden, but now it's not very representative
Oh, it's
anymore.
still beautiful.
You
I
know,
guess when the heat comes, the puppy just dwindles.
yeah, when you come in the morning, they are all open.
Oh.
Roses, Krishna.
Roses are forever.
Yeah.
I mean, the roses are here in the village. It looks like they've been here for hundreds of years.
Yeah. They grow like weeds here, I guess.
Mm.
And we can make tea from this.
Yeah, how's it called? In Hebrew,
I think lemon
lemonite.
lemon verbena.
Lemon verbena.
Look, here's a ladybug.
Oh my god!
Cute.
And how does water gets into the well? Rain or
This one is just rainwater.
rainwater?
But many people have like a water source underneath, like a spring or
that the well is
yes,
taking.
yes. It's always
advantage
fat and it's will never run empty. But this one will be dry in July or August, and then we need to find water.
And this is all since April? You must be kidding me, Ananta. No, not at all. April, since April.
Not
Jeez.
at all.
I mean, the trees were here, right?
Yeah, this is an orange tree.
Wow, it smells so good.
This is oregano,
Oregano.
big bush.
Oh, what a taste.
And we have some. This is like my little Italian section.
This is the Italian section.
Yes,
Nice.
it's like with basil, thyme, oregano, and we have the purple thyme. And, yeah,
Lovely. Well, thank you for showing us around.
yeah, that's really
I
nice.
hope people from all around the world that will get inspired to connect to nature and take a proactive approach to what they eat.
Yes.
Elevate their consciousness, connect to goodness, God, Krishna, Allah, Jehovah.
Can be so simple.
Yes.
And we don't even have like, you know, we don't have fancy tools or something. Like Bart, he did everything by hand, and
Wow.
he was like, when I asked him to help me, he said, you know, I need this and that tiller, and it's just I
You
need
thought
this.
you need so much. In
Yeah,
the
yeah,
beginning.
and then he was just like surrendering, and he got out the thing, hacke.
And in 1 month, it's really
Yeah,
amazing
and
that it's
he-
one. This is weed. This is weed.
Only this is not weed.
Ah, okay. I'm a slow learner, you know. Wow, this is all weeds. It's crazy. This is a lot of weeds. The hay kind of makes it hard.